Good morning, children. Now we will start with today's thought of the week is what? Believe in yourself little more. We have already started with this thought. And now today is 11th December 2020 and we have started chapter 8 practice set 8.1. In the previous part we have constructed question number 1 of practice set 8.1 in this way. Now children, we will start the second question, that is construct quadrilateral DEFG such that length DE is what? 4.5 centimeter, length EF is equal to 6.5 centimeter, length DG is 5.5 centimeter, length DF is 7.2 centimeter, and also length EG is given as 7.8 centimeter. Children, see here all the measures of the all lengths are given, isn't it? So with the help of these measure we will draw rough figure in this way. Okay, so I have drawn here rough figure, and simultaneously now we will construct the figure, that is quadrilateral DEFG. So let us start now. First, what we will take? The base length as DE. What is DE? 4.5 centimeter. So here we will draw 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so let us draw 4.5. You will take a measure with the help of a ruler and pencil. Okay children, exact measure you will take. Now it is 4.5 centimeter. Now what is the next part? From D towards G, how much measure is given? 5.5 centimeter. So let us take measure 5.5 in our compass. Okay, be ready with your compass and start. So from D, what we will take? From D we will take 5.5 centimeter arc in this way. So here I have taken one arc of 5.5 centimeter. Now I have taken here from D 5.5 centimeter arc. Okay, now in the rough figure, see here from E, how much measure is given towards G? It is 7.8 centimeter. So let us take the measure of 7.8 from E. Okay, from E we will take 7.8 centimeter arc. In this way we got intersection point. Now let us put a dot over their intersection part and then join these rays. In this way we will join it. Join from D and put a ray over here. Again join from E towards this arc. So I have joined over here, and now in this way give the measures. How much measure is this? This point you will get as G. So GE is 7.8 centimeter. GD is 5.5 centimeter, isn't it? And now see in the rough figure from E towards F is 6.5 centimeter. So let us take 6.5 centimeter from E. So from E we will take 6.5 centimeter arc. Okay children, this is 7.8. Now take 6.5 centimeter arc from E. So in this way I have taken 6.5 centimeter arc from E, isn't it? Now in the rough figure from D also towards F, again the measurement is given as 7.2 centimeter. So let us take 7.2 centimeter arc from here. From where? From D. See, from D we will take 7.2 centimeter. Yes, so take 7.2 centimeter. Okay, now where we get the intersection point, there we will put a dot, and now join from E towards that dot and draw one ray. Then from this D part also join the point of intersection and draw a ray. this point of intersection is our point F. Now what are the measurements we have put over here? This FE is 6.5 centimeter. Then DF is what? DF is 7.2 centimeter. And now join this 2 points G to F. In this way you will get a construction of quadrilateral D, E, F and G. Okay. Now let us write the answer. Therefore, quadrilateral DEFG is the required quadrilateral. It's very easy when all the sides are given. Okay children. So see here, such type of construction we have taken. This is the construction part, this is the rough part, and this will be your answer. Now let us start the next question of practice set 8.1. That is the third question, isn't it? See the third question. In quadrilateral ABCD, length AB is equal to 6.4 centimeter, length BC is equal to 4.8 centimeter, measure angle A is 70 degree, measure angle B is 50 degree, measure angle C is 140 degree. So here how many angles are given? 3 angles are given. So in this way we have drawn a rough figure. AB we will take because A and B both the measures are given. So let us take AB as 6.4 centimeter. So let's take AB 6.4 centimeter. Take with your exact measurement with your ruler. This will be AB. This is 6.4 centimeter. Now take a protractor and put a dot on A, and from A, what is A? Measurement of A is 70 degree. So let us take 70 degree from here. So from 0 we will take, see children, from A what we have to take? 70 degree measurement. So from 0 we will start up to 70. Put a light dot over there and draw one ray from A. In this way we have drawn, this is your 70 degree. Got it? And now from B, what is the measure of B as 50 degree? Let us take 50 degree angle from B. So put a reference dot, put a protractor on point B on a reference line and start with 0, because as we are drawing 50 degree measure angle from B. So start with 0 here. So where is 50 degree? Here, the upward size. Put a small dot over there and draw one ray in this way. I have drawn over here, and now this is your 50 degree angle. Okay. Now what is the measure of this 50 degree? Now B towards C, what is the measure is given? BC is given as 4.8. Let us take measure 4.8 from B and take an arc from B. Okay children, in this way I will show you now. From B, an arc of 4.8 centimeter. So this will be your 4.8 centimeter arc from B. Let us write down here 4.8 centimeter. This point is your measurement of B to C. This will be your C. Now what is given again? From C the angle is 140 degree towards D. So we will put a protractor on C. Let us rotate this, and where is our C? Let us see here. So in this way we will put a protractor on C, and from C what we will start then? From C we will start with 0, and the measure of angle C is what? 140 degree. So from 0 you will start up to here, and where 140 will come? This sign upward here. Put a dot, and now we will join this dot from C. Where it was? Let us rotate first. This will be 140 degree. From C you will join this angle as 140 degree. Which angle? This angle. This is your 140 degree. Now we got angle A, angle B, angle C, and where is the point of intersection? Here. So this will be your point D. This point is your D. Okay. So in this way we have constructed a quadrilateral ABCD where three angles are given, A, B and C, and two measures are given, that is lengths are given AB and BC. So what is your answer now? Therefore quadrilateral ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Okay. So with the help of rough diagram you will construct the quadrilateral in this way. This is your rough figure. The question is given over there. Write down the solution and on the right side draw the rough figure and below it the construction part and write down the answer. So as we have finished the third question, let us start the fourth question of practice set 8.1. Okay. Construct quadrilateral LMNO such that length LM is equal to length LO is equal to 6 cm, length ON is equal to length NM is equal to 4.5 cm, length OM is 7.5 cm. Okay children. So what is given here? Length OM is 7.5. So let us take with this. First what we'll do? We will draw 7.5 centimeter. Where is our rough figure now? See here. In this way we will construct the figure. Let us take 7.5 centimeter as OM. Okay. The rough figure is given in this way. So you can draw the rough figure. Now we will construct first length OM as 7.5 centimeter. So take the exact measure. You will take exact measure of 7.5 centimeter. In this way use pencil only. OM. Okay. Put a dot from both the sides. Now from O, what is taken here? From O towards N, the length is given as 4.5 centimeter. So let us take 4.5 centimeter arc from O, upward size, 4.5 centimeter. So this is your measurement, and 4.5 means here. This is the arc of 4.5 centimeter. Okay. And now from M, what is the measure again? Again 4.5 centimeter. Okay. So let us join this first. From M also it is 4.5, isn't it? From M also I have taken 4.5. From N also I have taken 4.5 centimeter. So we got a point of intersection, and this point of intersection is our N. And now below below this ON, O to L is given as 6 centimeter and M to L is also 6 centimeter. So let us take an arc of 6 centimeter from M to downwards. 6 centimeter below from O and 6 centimeter from O again below. So we have got a point of intersection below side OM. This point of intersection is your L. Okay. Now let us join both the arcs from M to L, from O to L, and from O to N, as well as from O to M. What are the measures here? NM is given as 4.5 centimeter. Then ON is also 4.5 centimeter. OL is given as 6 centimeter and LM is also 6 centimeter. So both the measures we have taken now. So here in this way we have drawn a construction. See, with the rough figure, with the help of rough figure and the information which is given in the question. So we have completed the construction part. Therefore quadrilateral LMNO is the required quadrilateral. Okay children, in the next slide, in the next part of the video, we will see what the next type of constructions and the rectangle and its properties. Thank you.